आज हम बात करेंगे यामाहा R1M 998cc जो कि बहुत रेसिंग बाइक है। बहुत ही ज़्यादा रेसिंग बाइक है। टॉप स्पीड यामाहा R1M 2024 YZF R1M के फीचर्स टॉप फीचर्स मोटो जीपी डिवाइडेड कॉम्प्रेस crankshaft engine the 998cc inline 4-cylinder engine feature Yamaha's exhaustion propulsion crankshaft technology derived from Yamaha YZR M1 MotoGP race bike. Every aspect of this in-queen engine is brought to thrall. Digital Superbike technology. The YZM R1M feature a capability ridden by Yamaha chips controlled through that YCCT system that transforms the rider's inputs into motion with a full suite of IMU powered electronic riders ideas that bring new meaning to the term rider confidence. Factory level GPS data logging. The YZF R1M comes standard with an integrated commissions control unit CCU data logging and GPS system that parts factory superbike technology in the palm of your hand, completed with GPS powered course mapping, automatically LAP timing, and Yamaha ride control YRC mobile device adjustability. Dynamic Violence electronic racing suspension. The YZF R1M Ultigas that advanced Willens YRS system featuring the NPX Jazz charged front fork, a dedicated suspension control unit repairably adjusts the front and rear dynamic in real time for optimum suspension performance with the braking controlling your accelerating superbike brakes or tires. The YZF R1M Ulti track fastest braking hardware featuring points for piston radial motion front clippers, steering steel front brakes lines, big 320 front rotors with high friction parts and a compact ABS unit. The Bridgestone RS11 tires ensures tire increase to race track ready transition with blended road feel and handings. Shrub styling with unique R1M feature. The YZF R1M feature is beautifully integrated body work and sleek stylish lines which created an unmistakably adjusted acronymic profile. R1M rides air traders to even higher levels of fight fit and finish thanks to full carbon fiber bodywork including a carbon windscreen fairing side fairings, front fender and tail section matched to a polished aluminum switchgram and topped with a unique serial numbered YZF R1M badges on top of the airbox cover. Next level are serious evolution in developing the R1M. Yamaha engineers complement feedback Jillian from top level rides and the world's most challenging race categories. Advanced electronic system boost rider confidence and control while the engine, suspension, brakes and aerodynamic completed the package. Engine cutting 8 CP4 engine. The R1M's 998cc inline 4-cylinder engine features Yamaha's exhaust corporation's crankshaft technology derived from Yamaha's YZR R1 MotoGP race bike by Ecology's interior force at the crankshaft. The CP4 motor delivers a direct feeling of a liner Truco, giving the rider the ultimate concentration between thrust grips and the rear wheel. High output engine technology. Titanium consistence roads use Yamaha's performance future slip method to ensure maximum reliability with minimum weight combined with transmission intake valves and forget pistons. These lightweight parts help achieve the CP4's high ready line and over REV capacity. The silencer block is also offered from the crankshaft, reading function loads on the pistons and bros. High performance intake system. The silencer head intake system, fuel injector, and airbox work together to find rocks ARM valve train. Compact rocks ARM valve actuation uses optimizing geometry to allow for laser valve lift than conventional cam driven system will using lower cam lobes and reduced state spring pressure to reduce friction losses. Lightweight engine compensates titanium engine internal magnesium outer coverage and aluminum fasteners are used across the engine to reduce weight. Titanium exhaust system. The R1M is equated with a mature fuel and head nozzles manufactured primarily from lightweight titanium. The compact mid-shape muffler also centralizes mass low in the frames and as close to the center of the machine as possible for optimal handling. Electronics. Ride-by-wire throttle system. The R1M features a ride-by-wire Yamaha chips controlled throttle YCCT system. Bluetooth around the accelerator position sensor with grip APS-G which eliminates the throats cables as before YCCT previously sensed thought input by the rider and associates the thread valves to activity control intake volume allowing for cutting its computerized engine management but in a lighter package. Variable intake system. The YZF R1M future Yamaha chips controlled intake YCC1, a variable intake system that broadens the spread of power across the interior RPM range by actively adjusting the length of the intake based on engine speed. The CP4 engine is able to provide a broad spread of power across the RPM range. MotoGP level controllability. Yama Interior Measurement Unit IMU combines a gyro sensor and G sensor accelerometer that measures all six axes of movement in 3D space at a rate of